She's the spark, the strength, the silver lining. A woman's strength isn't just seen, it's felt. In the dreams she chases, she overcomes the challenges, and the impact she leaves behind.
I support my family and follow my dreams. I balance work, home, and myself because I choose to. Happy Women's Day.
ప్రతి ఆడపిల్ల వెనుకల ఒక సాధించాలని పట్టుదల ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఆడపిల్ల సాధించలేనిది ఏది లేదు. పట్టుదలతో మనం ముందడుగు వేస్తే విజయం మనదే. హ్యాపీ ఉమెన్స్ డే.
I think, I speak, I believe in myself. Happy Women's Day.
Women don't wait for opportunities, we create them. I wear my confidence like my jewelry, bold, timeless, and empowered. Every day I grow stronger, wiser, and brighter. This Women's Day, celebrate the strength you wear with Mayuka Silver Jewelry. Happy Women's Day!